Next you give heading as Ohm's law, right? It states that at constant temperature, it states that at constant temperature and physical conditions, it states that at constant temperature and physical conditions, comma, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional. The current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. The current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. So the potential difference is equals to V and I current is flowing through it. So current flowing is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. So very simple this is. So V already है I को उधर ले जाओ तो V by I is proportional to what? Some constant. Because V is proportional to I. Current is proportional to the potential difference or not? So V by I is equals to some constant. Then this constant जब equality डालते हैं this constant becomes R. When I am putting here equality, I have to put some constant value and that becomes R. So V is equals to IR. This is my Ohm's law. Clear? Write it down. So I can write here 1 volt is equals to 1 ampere into 1 ohm. Unit of resistance is what? Ohm. तो इसको ओमेगा बोलते हैं actually. So this 1 ohm is equals to 1 volt by 1 ampere. I can write this also. At times it is given define 1 ohm. Define 1 ohm. So what I can write, resistance is said to be 1 ohm. Resistance is said to be 1 ohm when 1 ampere current flows through a conductor having a potential difference of 1 volt. When 1 ampere current flows through a conductor having potential difference of 1 volt. Having potential difference of 1 volt. समझ पाए? So this is resistance said to be 1 ohm when 1 ampere current flows through a conductor having a potential difference of 1 volt. Am I clear? समझ में आया क्या? तो बहुत बार पे ऐसे भी हम लोग डिफाइन करते हैं, या तो ऐसा भी कोई किताबों में लिखा रहता है रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस व्हेन यूनिट करंट फ्लोज थ्रू अ सर्किट. रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, तो दिख ही रहा है ना, व्हेन यूनिट करंट मतलब करंट इज 1 व्हेन यूनिट करंट फ्लोज थ्रू कंडक्टर. ओके. So at times it is also said you to plot a graph between potential and current. तो potential इधर है, current इधर है. V is equals to IR you can see. So from this formula what I can do, potential कौन सा एक्सिस में है? Y एक्सिस में. current कौन सा एक्सिस में है मेरा? X एक्सिस में. तो I is in my X एक्सिस, तो Y is equals to RX. तो Y equals to अगर RX हो रहा है, so ये किसके तरह दिख रहा है? Y equals to MX दिख रहा है कि नहीं? looks like a straight line. This appears like a straight line. Y is equals to mx. जहाँ पे slope क्या है? Slope is equals to how much? R. Slope is how much? Equals to R. So y equals to mx होने से it is a straight line which passes from origin and the slope is said to be how much? R. Understood? This is the plot of potential difference versus current. किसका plot है ये? Plot of V versus I. For ohmic conductor, which follows Ohm's law. Clear? Right. Next is our limitations of Ohm's law. मतलब कहाँ पे Ohm's law valid है? Limitation of Ohm's law, it has only one limitation. It should be done when temperature is constant. Okay? We have to keep. It is followed. Yeah. You can write Ohm's law is followed. Ohm's law is valid only when temperature remains constant. If temperature changes, Ohm's law is not valid. Okay. The next part is experimental verification of Ohm's law. एक्सपेरिमेंटल वेरिफिकेशन, एक्सपेरिमेंटली कैसे वेरीफाई करोगे, एक्सपेरिमेंटल वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ ओम्स लॉ. ओके, सो हाउ इट इज डन. सपोज आई विल बी टेकिंग अ बैटरी. बैटरी में तो बहुत सारे सेल्स होते हैं ना, एक तो नहीं होता, दो तीन सेल्स ले मैंने बैटरी. आई एम टेकिंग अ रियोस्टेट, then I'll take a ammeter. I can use a key here. This is a key switch. This is my key, this is my battery, this is rheostat RH. rheostat का काम का पता है ना, it can offer variable resistance. अगर 2 ohm चाहिए तो 2 ohm, 3 ohm चाहिए तो 3 ohm, it can offer variable resistance. This is an ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure current. Ammeter is used to what? Measure current. याद रखो. फिर I have to use a resistor, क्योंकि ohms को वेरीफाई होगा तो रेजिस्टेंस तो चाहिए ना. तो R is my what? रेजिस्टेंस. एंड रेजिस्टेंस के साथ पैरेलल में कौन लगेगा? वोल्टमीटर. एंड वोल्टमीटर का काम क्या है? इट मेजर्स potential difference. It measures what? Potential difference across resistor. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं की को ऑन करूंगा, ठीक. एंड आई मेक टू टेबल्स, V and I, two tables and SL number. So I will take 5 time I will take the values. Suppose मुझे क्या करना है, I have to put on the key. की को ऑन करेंगे. सी दिस इज ऑफ पोजीशन. ऑफ मतलब सर्किट अभी कनेक्टेड है क्या, गैप है ना. सो व्हेन आई एम पुटिंग अ डॉट, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? ऑन. डॉट मतलब कुछ हम लोग वी आर पुटिंग सम कंडक्टर इनसाइड, सो द सर्किट इज कंप्लीट नाउ. सो व्हेन की इज ऑन, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट डू वी डू? एट दैट टाइम आई टेक द रीडिंग्स ऑफ एमीटर एंड वोल्टमीटर. ओके, एमीटर क्या रीडिंग देगा? एमीटर गिव्स द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट. एमीटर से हमें करंट की वैल्यू पता चल जाएगी. And voltmeter will give the value of voltage, potential difference across the resistor. Okay, I will get. Now how to take the second reading? Second reading के लिए rheostat का वैल्यू को थोड़ा चेंज करेंगे. Suppose first case rheostat is at 2 ohm. एक रीडिंग आएगा कुछ. Now the rheostat reading increase it to 4 ohm. So I will get one more reading here. Are you getting me? Suppose this is V1, this is I1. After that V2, I2. This is V3, I3. V4, I4, V5, I5. Now after doing this, I will take a plot. I will take a graph. I will put here V. I will put here I. Suppose मेरा V1 इधर आ रहा है, V2 is coming here, V3 is coming here, V4 is coming here, V5 में नहीं आता. Similarly, I1 here, I2 here, I3 here, I4 here. तो V1, I1 जो point आया, I will put it here. V2, I2, the point I am putting it here. V3, I3, I am putting it here, and V4, I4, I am putting it here. So when I will join all these points, I will definitely see a straight line. मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले बताया था ग्राफ कैसे आता है. And when you do experimentally this experiment, you will also get, when you get V1, I1, you get the points and you join them. Definitely you will also get what? Your calculation will be coming back in such a way that your line is a straight line. And the slope of the curve is a resistance. Slope will be what? Is equals to resistance. Slope कैसे निकालना है पता है? Change in potential by change in current. Slope का मतलब होता है tan theta. Okay. So suppose I am joining this part I am joining. So here some theta is coming or not? So tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base. तो perpendicular यहाँ पे भी कितना हो जाएगा जरा देखो. This perpendicular is how much? V3 minus V2. तो R क्या हो जाएगा? V3 minus V2 by base कौन है? ये वाला है. तो this base कैसा आएगा? I3 minus I2. This will be what? I3 minus I2. So this is how we find out the resistance in these graphs. Clear? Right.